Howdy folks, this is Kevin Deathridge live from Barberville with another gadget for you. Yes, I've been to the Dollar Tree again and I found this beauty. What we got here, it just says Robin and then some Spanish stuff I don't understand. Motion activated, then once again motion activated in Spanish. And it appears to be a robin. And says pull plastic tab to activate chirping sounds. Let's do that. Let's take it out of the box bag. And we have a robin, a little plastic robin, a little roach clip on it where you can attach it to various things. And we will remove it and listen. Hey! Isn't that nice? Anyway, this was $1 at the Dollar Tree, and I really don't know any uses offhand, but we can take it outside and see if we can attract some hummingbirds. So let's do that. Let's head outside, check it out, and see what we can come up with the robin motion-activated Grande bird. Hey, we're going to try and rig this up here, try to lure in some hummingbirds. It's a real gadget. Listen to it. It's already going. It's already going. Man, look up here. Now the fun will begun. Check it out. This thing's luring them in like crazy. I never thought of a $1 electronic gadget like this would lure them in that way. Man. This thing's amazing. It's luring in hummingbirds like crazy. Or could it be the sugary substance inside the feeder? And we may never know. But we had some fun here today. Let's go inside, develop the film, see what we got. Thank you.